Greetings, fellow travelers of the cosmos. Tonight we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of language. It's a journey to the very heart of what makes us human. Our guide is the brilliant Noam Chomsky and his influential work on nature and language. Just as we explore the universe to understand our place within it, we delve into language to understand the human mind. Language, like the cosmos, is vast, intricate, and full of mysteries. Let's begin our exploration. This is a quest to understand the very essence of thought and communication. It's about deciphering the code that unlocks the potential of the human mind. Fasten your seatbelts. Our journey into the cosmos of language is about to begin. Noam Chomsky is a giant in the world of linguistics. His revolutionary ideas have transformed the way we view language. Before Chomsky, language was often seen as a learned behavior, shaped solely by our environment. Chomsky challenged this view. He proposed that we are born with an innate capacity for language. He called this innate ability universal grammar. It's like a blueprint for language embedded in our brains. On Nature and Language brings together Chomsky's key essays and lectures. It's a compilation of his groundbreaking theories and their implications for our understanding of the human mind. This book is our guide to Chomsky's revolutionary ideas. Prepare to have your assumptions challenged and your perspective broadened. Chomsky's work is an invitation to think deeply about the power and mystery of language. On Nature and Language is structured like a carefully crafted argument. It begins with an introduction by editors Adriana Belletti and Luigi Rizzi. They provide context and highlight the book's key themes. Then Chomsky takes center stage. His essays delve into the core of his linguistic theories. He explores universal grammar, the minimalist program, and the interconnectedness of language, mind, and brain. The book features a thought-provoking interview with Chomsky. Here he discusses his views on language, politics, and the role of intellectuals in society. He challenges us to think critically about the world around us. Finally, the book concludes with an essay reflecting on the role of intellectuals. Chomsky emphasizes the importance of social responsibility and critical thinking. He calls upon intellectuals to challenge injustice and promote positive change. Imagine a child learning to speak. They haven't been taught the rules of grammar, yet they effortlessly string together words, forming sentences they've never heard before. How is this possible? Chomsky argues that this innate ability stems from universal grammar. This is the idea that all human languages share a fundamental structure. It's this underlying structure that allows children to learn language so quickly. Think of it like a musical scale. Different cultures develop unique melodies and rhythms, but they all draw upon the same basic set of notes. Similarly, all languages, despite their surface differences, share a common grammatical core. This universal grammar is not a specific language, it's a set of principles that guide language acquisition. It's the blueprint that allows our brains to make sense of the linguistic world around us. Section 5. Decoding the Language Code, the Minimalist Program. Chomsky's minimalist program aims to simplify our understanding of grammar and its complexities. It seeks to identify the most basic principles that govern all human languages universally. These principles are like the fundamental building blocks of language. Two key concepts in the minimalist program are merge and recursion, both essential. Merge is the process of combining words and phrases to create larger units of meaning. It's how we build sentences in everyday communication. Recursion allows us to embed phrases within phrases, creating complex sentences. It's like placing a smaller box inside a larger box, a concept easy to visualize. Recursion gives language its remarkable expressive power and flexibility. The minimalist program seeks to explain these complex processes with a small set of elegant rules. It's like finding the hidden code that governs the seemingly infinite possibilities of language. Section 6. The intertwined tapestry of language, mind, and brain. Chomsky's work goes beyond linguistics. He delves into the intricate relationships that bind language, thought, and the brain's physical structure. He explores the profound connections between language, thought, and the physical structure of the brain. His theories suggest that our capacity for language is deeply embedded in our neural architecture. He argues that language is not just a tool for communication, it's a window into the human mind. Through language, we can glimpse the inner workings of our thoughts and consciousness. Our brains are wired for language. This wiring is not random but highly specialized, with specific regions dedicated to processing different aspects of language. Specific regions of the brain are dedicated to processing language. These areas work in harmony to enable us to speak, understand, and even read complex sentences. Damage to these areas can impair our ability to speak, understand, or read. Such impairments highlight the critical role these brain regions play in our daily lives. The way we use language shapes the way we think. Our linguistic choices can influence our cognitive processes, affecting how we perceive and interact with the world. Different languages can influence our perception of time, space, and even color. This diversity in language reflects the diversity in human thought and experience. Language is not just a reflection of thought, it's an active participant in shaping it. The words we choose and the structures we use can mold our cognitive landscape. Understanding this interplay between language, mind, and brain is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of human cognition. It opens doors to new insights into how we think, learn, and communicate. It's a journey into the very essence of what makes us human. By studying this intricate tapestry, we can better understand ourselves and the world around us. Section 7. The Moral Compass of Intellectuals. Chomsky's concerns extend beyond linguistics, delving deeply into the realms of social and political issues. He's a vocal critic of social injustice and political oppression, often using his platform to highlight these issues. He believes that intellectuals have a moral obligation to speak truth to power, regardless of the consequences. In On Nature and Language, Chomsky reflects on the role of intellectuals in society, emphasizing their duty to challenge injustices. He argues that intellectuals should use their platform to challenge the status quo and promote justice, fairness, and equality. They should be a voice for the voiceless, advocating for those who cannot speak for themselves. Chomsky's activism is rooted in his belief that knowledge comes with responsibility, and that intellectuals must act on this. He believes that intellectuals should use their knowledge to make the world a better place, contributing positively to society. Their words should be a force for positive change, inspiring others to take action. For Chomsky, intellectual inquiry and social responsibility are inseparable, forming the core of his philosophy. He challenges us to be engaged citizens, to question authority, and to work towards a more just and equitable world where everyone has a voice. Section 8, Echoes of Chomsky Key Takeaways. As we conclude our journey through Chomsky's On Nature and Language, let's recap the key takeaways. This book has been a profound exploration of the intricate relationship between language and the human mind. Chomsky's work has revolutionized our understanding of language, providing new insights into how we communicate and comprehend. His theory of universal grammar proposes that we are born with an innate capacity for language, suggesting that the ability to learn language is hardwired into our brains from birth. The minimalist program seeks to simplify our understanding of grammar, identifying the fundamental principles that govern all languages. This approach has streamlined linguistic theory, making it more accessible and applicable. Chomsky's work highlights the profound connections between language, mind, and brain, showing how deeply intertwined these elements are in shaping human experience. Beyond linguistics, Chomsky emphasizes the role of intellectuals in society. He believes that scholars and thinkers have a responsibility to challenge societal norms and advocate for truth and justice. He challenges us to be critical thinkers, to question authority, and to work towards a more just and equitable world. His call to action is as relevant today as it was when he first began his career. On Nature and Language is an invitation to think deeply about the power of language. It encourages us to reflect on how language shapes our reality and influences our interactions. It's a journey into the heart of what makes us human, exploring the essence of our communication and connection with others. Chomsky's work continues to inspire and provoke, urging us to explore the mysteries of language and our place in the cosmos. His legacy is a testament to the enduring power of intellectual curiosity and the quest for knowledge. Section 9. Journey further into the realm of language. Our exploration of language doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. We encourage you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of linguistics and Chomsky's groundbreaking ideas. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on language, mind, and the universe. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep the wonders of language alive within you.